송도달빛축제공원. 위치는 인천 연수구 송도동이며 송도달빛축제공원역 4번 출구에서 825m 이동하면 있습니다. 입구 쪽에서 공연장이 보입니다. 주차장도 있고 공연장이 보입니다. 쭉 뻗은 길과 산책로 보이는 공연장 왼쪽 길로 가면 넓은 공원이 있습니다. 인천 펜타포트 페스티벌 글씨가 있네요. 주공연장이 아주 웅장한 느낌입니다. (360도로) 보면서 촬영해봤어요. 화장실도 가까이 있습니다. 앉아서 쉴 수 있는 의자들도 있어요. 여긴 보조공연장인데 체육시설이 들어와 있습니다. 넓게 펼쳐진 잔디,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
갈 때
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
새들도
I
많이
look
있어요.
away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your
진짜로
blue eyes
많습니다.
fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade
자전거와
away.
캠핑, 강아지 산책까지 여유롭게 공원을 즐길 수
Yeah, I'm
있어요.
about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
다시 한번
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you
또
fade
오른쪽 길로
away.
쭉 가면 강아지를 위한 보급 파크도 준비되어 있어서 반려견과 함께 오기도 좋은 곳이에요. 들어가기 전에 개의 촉각, 시각, 청각, 후각 인간 설명과 생애와 개와 사랑, 나이, 이름까지 설명되어 있어요.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in a better day. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.